Good evening. Since the beginning of industrialization, there is so much of deforestation in almost all the countries in the world because you need a lot of space for industrialization, and industrialization will lead to a rapid development. With that particular idea, most of the countries which were considered to be agrarian, meaning those countries that were depending more on agriculture, they started shifting to the industrialization, and that led to the lots of deforestation in majority of the countries in the world. But what is the impact of this? What are the the consequences of this deforestation? So when it comes to deforestation, there will be an ecological imbalance, there will be environmental degradation, and many more problems will be there. And when it comes to this particular deforestation, most of the countries, rather every country, thought that they will be developing very rapidly because the industrialization will lead to the rapid growth of a nation. But unfortunately, over a period of time, entire world realized that the manner in which the deforestation is going on, that is really creating lots of issues. Again, the world came together and the world wanted to go for the afforestation. Let's go back to the previous years where we'll be having lots of greenery on the earth. So how it can be done? Each country has to take up its responsibility, especially for those nations like India, where the geographical area is very large, plus a large number of people who are living here. It will become really a very difficult task. But the government is going ahead, right? Not just the central government, but also the state governments. Different programs for plantations are happening in different states on different names, and this is moving on. Now, the latest report is indicating very clearly that there is a considerable increase in forest cover and tree cover in India compared to 2019. Meaning, if you look at 2019 and 2021, there is an increase in forest cover and tree cover. What is the difference between these two? What is forest cover? What is the tree cover? That I am going to tell you after some time. Now, if you look at this, if you look at the latest statistics that were given in the report, that will be, to a larger extent, that is positive in nature because our green coverage is increasing in India. But that is restricted to some states, meaning some states like Andhra Pradesh, some states like Telangana, Odisha, Karnataka, and Jharkhand. They are gaining, they are gaining the forest cover. But when it comes to some of the states, especially in the northeastern part of India, they are losing the forest cover, right? So these things you must remember. And everyone who is preparing for the this is civil services main examination or group 1 main examination, you have to remember these latest statistics. And these statistics, if you present in the examination, that will be an added advantage to you. Clear? Now I am going to open the document and show you the statistics, and I am going to share the latest data with you. Kindly stay tuned. Here it is. Look at this. So India's green cover increased. This information we have taken from Times of India. This is the source for us. So when you look at India's green cover increases, look at this. There is a change in forest and tree cover. As I told you, there is a difference between forest cover and tree cover. When I say forest, forest is a recorded area. So that is recorded, and once you call it a forest area, whether you have the plantation completely or not, that is considered to be the forest area. But when it comes to tree cover is nothing but the patches of size less than 1 hectare. Important one, tree cover is nothing but the patches of size less than 1 hectare outside recorded forest area, not inside the recorded forest area. So meaning tree cover is a location that is present outside the recorded forest area. Clear? Now, if you look at this very clearly, you have forest cover, you have tree cover, and you have the information of 2019 and also the latest one 2021. If you look at India's total forest cover in 2019, it was 7,12,249 square kilometers. And now the latest one is 7,13,789 square kilometers. What is this? This is with respect to forest cover. Then what about the tree cover? In 2019, the area was 95,027 square kilometers. It has been increased to 95,748 square kilometers. Similarly, the percentage of GA means geographical area. So this is the percentage of 2019. This is for 2021. For tree cover, it was in 2019, and for the year 2021, it is 2.91. Clear? Similarly, net increase is also given here. Net increase for forest cover, tree cover, and the total. So kindly remember all these points. Now, another one I would like to show you very clearly. The states or union territories with gain or loss in forest cover in 2021. Please remember, whatever the state you may belong to, please follow the plantation programs that are being implemented by the respective state governments. Clear? That is very, very important. That is a mechanism to increase the forest cover. That is the mechanism to increase the tree cover. Very, very, very important. So when it comes to the gain in square kilometers, Andhra Pradesh gained the highest for this year with 647 square kilometers, followed by Telangana 632, Odisha 537, Karnataka 155 square kilometers, followed by Jharkhand 110 square kilometers. On the other side, you can also look at in red, this is the loss in square kilometers. Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram and Meghalaya, all these states have lost the forest cover in so many square kilometers. Clear? Very, 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 very important one. Now, let's go ahead and I would like to share some more information with you. Kindly have a look at this. So when it comes to the minister in India at the central level, that is the Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change. This is one of the very, very important ministries in India. And the concerned minister currently is the Bhupender Yadav, Shri Bhupender Yadav. In Jan 2022, the report was released. This is India's State of Forest Report 2021, and this is prepared by Forest Survey of India, and the responsibility of this one is to assess the forest and tree resources of the country. That is the responsibility of the Forest Survey of India. Very, very, very important one. You need to remember the name of the institute. Clear? That prepared India State of Forest Report. Clear? Now, so these are all the points which we have discussed just now. So it has shown the increase of so many square kilometers in total forest and tree cover of the country in the last 2 years. When it comes to area wise, Madhya Pradesh has the largest forest cover in the country. Right? Next one, maximum increase in forest cover witnessed in Andhra Pradesh, followed by Telangana, followed by Odisha. We also seen in the pic that Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, followed by Odisha, followed by Karnataka and Jharkhand. So those things we have already seen. And when it comes to 17 states and union territories, they have above 33% of the geographical area under forest cover. That's really a good sign. Look at this. Total carbon stock in country's forest is estimated to be 7,204 million tons. Clear? And it's an increase from here. Right? And total mangrove cover in the country is 4,992 square kilometers, and it's an increase of 17 square kilometers. Very, very, very important one. The government is focusing not just on the quantity but also the quality. Very, 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 very important topic. And please try to remember all these points. Fine. So this is about this, and I'll see you in the next session tomorrow with other topics. Take very good care.